So today I would like to show you how to cut laminate material. I will be cutting this stuff. Beautiful. It's 2 meters width and 280 meters long. That's the standard material or laminate stuff in Europe, what I think at least. And I will show you how to properly cut. I will show you what is called here banana cut, and I will explain how I will do it. Basically what I need is here. Can you see it? Yeah. I need 650 centimeters or millimeters width, like one cut, and two pieces also 650 and long 873. And what I like to do, it's I need 650 millimeters, but I will start with 670, and those 2 centimeters is for the banana cut, what it's called here. And basically it's because the material has like tension, that's the right word, and it's also better for you to manipulate with the material. Basically I will cut like with 2 extra centimeters, and then I will cut like on the right measurement when I can like better manipulate and do properly. And also I can start with the old blade. It's not have to be like the sharp and the best what you have. You can start with the old one, and also you don't need the pre-cut. And when you start cutting the right measurement, then you put the sharp blade there and the pre-cut, and you are ready to cut the right measurements. So that's what I will do today. And then also the video will have like 2 parts. One is the cutting, and then it will be how to use the edge bending, and I will be using the edge bending from the Festool. So let's do it. So this was the rough cutting. I need 2 meters long this piece and 65 width, and I cut 67 width and 2 meters and 3 centimeters or something like that. And now I will start cutting the proper one. I will cut 1 centimeters, and also what is important, you need like 1 centimeters material for the cutting. For, I don't know how to say, like the blades needs 1 centimeter bit in the material, and then the blade is proper straight, and it's like it's bite correctly, if it does make sense. Then the blade is not like wiggling or something. It's straight nice in the material. That's also why you need like, basically also what is okay, it's like half centimeters, but they say it's like 1 centimeter. That's the proper width of the material when the blade is straight. So I will cut one side, 1 centimeter, then I will push to the guide, then I will cut 65, and then I will just cut it for the 2 meters, because now then I know this line is straight, this is straight, and I basically just cut a little bit here and then use this guide for 2 meters, and I am square and I have the proper measurement and everything is okay. That's what I should do. And this is it. That's the measurement what I need. 65 width and 2 meters long. Okay, not 2 meters exactly. I don't know why. But you get the point. Now when I cut in this method, I am pretty sure it's 100% square as hell. I can try it. Is okay, 2 meters, 210 and 1 millimeter. And if I try it on the other side, yeah, and now it's 210 and 1 millimeters. It's exactly it's the square as hell. So that's how we do it here in Europe and in Czech Republic. At least what I know. If you know other methods, you can tell me in the comments. But that's how I learn it and how other people show me in workshops. So I think this is pretty good for me and for everybody who wants to exactly the right measurement.